How's it going, geometry kids? Today we are looking at 10-2 areas of trapezoids, rhombuses, and kites. Oh my! I already made this joke before, but I'm going to make it again. Because I can. Okay, the area of a trapezoid, guys. Of a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Okay, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times your height times base 1 plus base 2. What you're actually doing is finding the average of your two bases, okay? And then you're going to times that by your height. That's where the formula comes from. If you're ever taking the ACT and you get stuck, you can always make these into triangles and a rectangle, okay? Keep that in the back of your head, but 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. Okay, what's the area of a trapezoid with a height of 7 and bases of 12 and 15? So I'm going to draw a trapezoid. Okay, and my height is 7. So my formula is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2, right? Well, my height is 7, right? My base 1 is 15. It doesn't matter which one's base 1, base 2. And base 2 is 12. Okay? So you get 1/2 times 7 times 15 plus 12 is, everyone at once, 27, right? And I'm going to plug that into my handy dandy calculator right here. Let's see here. Boop, 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 ba, 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 ba. And our area is 94.5 centimeters squared. Areas in square units, guys, because if I were, I could cover this with 94. I'm not going to, but 94.5 squares. Centimeter squares. Okay? Anything too scary? Okay. What's the area of this trapezoid? Okay. So I have my base 1 is 5, base 2 is 7. My height is Ray. Well, my height would be right here, right? Very peculiar, quite peculiar indeed. So what we have here is a right triangle, right? That's 60, that's 90. That guy would be 30, right? 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now if this side's 5, this side's 7, what's this little piece going to be? It's going to be 2, because 7 minus 5 is 2. Now do you guys remember in a 30, 60, 90, this side's x, this side was 2x, and this side was x root 3? So since 2 is my shortest side, this side's going to be 2 root 3. So my height is 2 times square root 3. You could also use trig if you want to use trig. Okay, so now I use my formula. 1/2 my height times my base 1 plus base 2. And 1/2 times 2, those cancel. Root 3 times 12, so I get 12 root 3 meters squared. Okay, I gotta pause for 1 second. Now I'm back. Okay, next slide. Theorem 10.5. Area of a rhombus or a kite. Well, did you know that the area of a rhombus is 1/2 its diagonal times its other diagonal? Well, now you do. In fact, I think I'm having an idea. Okay, I'm sorry. Kite, you can do the same thing. Times the diagonals, take half of it. Bada boom, bada bing. You have its area. Okay? Let's suppose we had a kite and the diagonals were 9 inches long and 12 inches long. Okay, well, my formula is 1/2 diagonal times the other diagonal. And this would be what, 54 inches squared. That's all there is to it, guys. It's that simplistic. Okay? A rhombus has sides that are 10 centimeters long. It's a longer diagonal, 16. Find the area of the rhombus. Okay. So, we're looking for, well, we need to find either height or this other diagonal, right? Okay. Oh, watch this. These guys intersect at a right angle. Okay? Now, if this whole diagonal is 16, just half of it is going to be 8, right? And this is a right angle. This side's 10. And this side we'll call x. Do you guys remember how to find x? Well, it's a triangle family, so if you see that, great. Or you can do 8 squared plus x squared equals 10 squared, right? 64 plus x squared, good old Pythagorean theorem, equals 100, right? Subtract 64 from both sides. X squared equals 36. X equals 6. Okay. Now here's the tricky part, guys. Let me get back at my stability ball. Yes, I make these videos while sitting on a stability ball. What do you want from me? Okay, if this side's 6, this side would also be 6, right? So this whole diagonal would be 12. So my formula is 1/2, 1 diagonal 16. My other diagonal is 12. So I'm going to plug that in my hand-in calculator. Poop. Actually, I don't need to. 96 centimeters squared. Because 1/2 of 16 is 8. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed it.